Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Karen.
Hello.
And we are here to introduce you to our decorative Christmas bauble die set. So we have an amazing decorative, festive die set for you today. And this is, I mean, look at them. Just look at them. Aren't they amazing?
They are fantastic. I mean, this is one of our as seen on TV sets as well. And they just hit the spot. I really think they do. They're so pretty. They hold so much.
They do.
As well. Yeah, they're just amazing. Beautiful decorations with them as well.
Let's have a look at the dies. Let's see what we get in our die set. Look at this. It is jam-packed. Jam-packed.
So, when you open up, it doesn't look like you have a lot of cutting to do when you look at that, but just wait. So let's show you this. I can't even get the whole thing in. So there's your instructions. You can see you've got, this is what I love, how many of each to cut.
Yes.
Obviously this doesn't include your decoration. This is your base construction. So it tells you how many of each to cut, how to put it together, if you want to magnet it, if you want to tie it up, how to put your little hanger on the top. And finally, your bow. And the bow is ingenious, isn't it? So good.
Very clever.
So that is your instructions there. This is your die set. Can we see this okay on here?
Yes.
Yeah, just about. You've got this piece here. This cuts 2 of the sections. And each side of the bauble has 8 sections. So this will cut 2. So you'll need to cut 8 of those. This is your sort of the rim around the...
Kind of helps to add structure and strength
because
to
it does tell you cut 4 of those, so you put one inside and then one on top again. I mean, we will be showing you how to put this together anyway. This piece is your little cap for the top of your for the top of your bauble. And this here is the hanger piece as well. So that's the top of that on the base if you want one, or you can just stick glue tabs down. This is pretty much all you'll need for your bow.
Yeah.
It's bizarre. So you cut 2 of these and you overlap and fold all the bits in, and these are your ribbon tails. And then the rest of this is decoration. Or this is your piece that just cleans the centre of it up a bit.
Yes.
So
kind of hides all your workings.
It does. Just neatens it all up. You've got the most amazing swirl. Stunning. That cut out of vellum is just like nothing I've ever seen before.
It is beautiful.
Gorgeous. You've got some holly leaves. You have got a little teeny tiny pine cone here, which is lovely because you've got this beautiful sort of fir tree little branch there as well.
Pine bough, if you will.
It's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Or this is the centre of your bow, the piece that wraps around. This is your hinge.
Yep.
If you wanted to hinge the 2 together. We've also decided today that you could probably just magnet the whole thing. I was tempted to do that in my make, I'll be honest with you. But yeah, everything else is basically decoration. You've got a lovely tag as well, and that says Merry Christmas. That is stunning. But you've got a couple of options for your decoration for your bauble as well, so they won't all look the same.
They won't, and this is going to make like amazing home decor. I can see this in the centre of a nice wreath on the door.
Yes.
Or something like that.
Yeah.
Gift boxes as well. You could put them on the tree. They could be an advent. There are so many ways that you're going to end up using this, I'm sure. Should we have a look at some?
Oh, they're so good. When you see a set that has so many different looks to it, because you look at these, you see, it's all a bauble.
Yeah.
But they all look so different.
They
you
do.
know that the design team have had a lot of fun.
Where should we start?
Wherever you want. I would start with that one.
Yeah.
Just because it's got so much on it.
Let's go for the all Christmas, all day. So here is your traditional blingy festive season. Look at this. You've got that gorgeous big bow on the top with that lovely tag as well.
And I love that where the ribbon tails are not on the bow either.
Yes.
That is very nice too.
I like that the fact they're separate, so you have that option. You can just have the bow or you can have it with the ribbon tails. But look at all of the foliage that's going on around the top of
stunning.
this.
And it's been, you've got a little piece that you can put drops on as well.
That's it, you've got your mistletoe berries.
This one here, look at that. Isn't that fab?
So yeah, all the holly, the pine, all the little bits of mistletoe in there. Look at it. Absolutely stunning.
And it's well, I don't know, sumptuous I suppose. It's got so much on it. There's just so much to it. It's amazing.
So this one is magneted. So if I put this back here, hopefully there we go. So this one is magneted closed. So it has that very satisfying noise.
Click.
But it also has the little tags on both sides. You could put ribbon on either side to tie it. So, you know, it is a secret if it's a gift. You know,
so you don't want them opening it straight away anyway.
Definitely not. But you have got that lovely hanger on the top. You could put ribbon into that as well if you want to, and some of the others have. So it could be, you know, a longer hanging piece if you want it to be. I love it.
Oh,
absolutely
me too.
Love it.
Okay, I am going to bring in one of your favourites now.
Oh, yes.
Oh no, I've wobbled them. Oh, they're still standing up. This one is absolutely stunning. So you've got that big red bow on the front. But if you have a little look around, you can see that this has been made with printed cardstock.
I love it. I love the fact that you've got the printed cardstock and then the next panel is cut in.
Is pew 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 pew.
And it is pew pew. So this could be a pomander.
It could be a pomander, yeah, definitely. But you've got that lovely, lovely attention to detail with these beautiful. Oh, you can see it's been made by Shilpa. Sample number 1. You've got that lovely detail with the decorative panels there being cut in, but also that fabulous bow just on the front. I mean, do you need anything else when you've got that? It's stunning. Sorry, I should bring it on to the centre.
But I love that we do have the holly, and even the little pine boughs are actually cut out of that patterned cardstock as well. Yes,
it's gorgeous.
So it kind of ties in.
But that lovely tag is so big and so, I mean, it's a statement piece, isn't it? I'm not opening this one only because it's been tied so nicely. I'm not going to get them tied again.
We're never going to get those tied again. Absolutely not.
So I'll put that one back there.
Now I've got this one. Look at this. This is so clever.
Yeah, this is our Vicky.
Christmas pud. Look at him.
Amazing.
Love it. So lovely bit of ribbon going on here. So I'm going to pull this back so you can actually see it properly. Extra ribbon on the top so it could hang on the Christmas tree or something like that, or even on the door or wherever you want it to go, really.
It'd be fabulous. I could see sort of a set of 3 of them or something.
Yeah.
Nice.
Indeed. So again, lots of that lovely festive foliage going on, that huge tag.
But look at that pattern. So even though that just looks like you've got a white lid and a brown base, that pattern is still being cut, and it's white on white and brown on brown. Exactly. So that monotone pattern effect there, just giving you the detail without being in your face.
Exactly. And then look, 2 little pine cones just in the centre of the bow. Beautiful. Love it. Love it.
And I think that one is magneted as well.
Is it? Shall we?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Oh!
Hold on.
Oh, we're so easy to please.
I love a magnet. It's just magic.
Yeah. Right. I mean, all we're going to be showing you is how much fun the design team have had with these. So this one's from Angela, and she has cut and cut and cut and cut. Look at the top of that bauble. It's stunning. It really is pretty. And these decorative pieces around the centre all have this little fallout. So there are several patterns, but I can see that The stars are a firm favourite
Definitely.
looking around because Angela's popped the fallout on top there. And that's just such a lovely little thing. And having the centre of the bow a different colour as well looks nice.
I like that.
Really, really like that. So, yeah, we've got another magnet. Beautiful.
Nice. I am in love with this one. I think this is
Oh,
one of the
that's
ones...
mine.
Aww.
Oh.
I was going to say, I'm sure this was on the packaging. I love the vellum bow. I think
vellum
it
bow is
just...
stunning.
Yeah.
I'm going to do that on my make.
Oh, you indeed
Yeah.
will. You've got these lovely swirls going on. And it's just showing that even just with the pattern paper, if you don't want to cut any of the patterns, if you've had enough of cutting at this point, if this is like your 15th bauble, and you're like, do you know what? No more patterns. I'm just going to do some beautiful pattern paper.
You don't need them.
No.
You don't need them at all. We've got some
looks
lovely
stunning.
ones with pattern paper here.
And I love the fact that you can make this work with any colour scheme. So if your colour scheme for Christmas is teal and pink, not mustard, teal and pink, or if you love to go silvers and blues, or you do, you know, a proper retro rainbow Christmas,
I want to see that one.
you can do them in any colour you want.
This is stunning. So this is our sea salt green.
We love sea salt green. You must know this by now, that we are in love with this colour. Gutted it's currently out of stock. Can't wait to have it back because we literally have none left in the craft room. You will not see another sea salt green project from us for a while.
Devastating.
Absolutely devastating. But yes, so we've got these lovely star patterns. And maybe you can see. Am I going to get these? There we go. Look.
Yeah.
Beautiful stars in that pattern. Hang on. Can I bring in this one as well? So there's your swirls.
Yeah. And
your
here's the
stars
snowflake.
and snowflakes. So you can see the three
snowflake pattern there.
different patterns that you have. So even in that die set, you've got 3 options for patterns on there, which I think is amazing.
And you've got patterns for the bow as well, if you want them.
Yeah, on here.
Or, let me just bring this one in to show you the bow on this. So this one has had the centre cut away from the... Right, it's
That
the
is
bow
very
I need to
clever.
show. Oh, no. The bow I need to show and promptly drop that on top of it. So can you see the way that is? I'm just hoping to just try and catch the light with the pearl card. You can see there that the centre's actually been cut out of the bow. So it's been backed with that lovely pistachio green with the... That one is one of the speciality cards with the leaves on it. Ooh, golden leaves or something like that.
It's something leaves, it is, yeah.
So beautiful. But look how
so
clever
very
that
nice.
one is. I really like that one. So that one
Very
is,
pretty.
I can't remember who. Oh no, the name's gone.
I think that was a Shilpa.
I think it's Shilpa as well, but the name is gone. So I'm so sorry.
So as you can see, any colourway that you could possibly dream of, you can make a bauble to fit it.
It's beautiful.
And they are absolutely stunning. Now, we did recently release a kit.
We did.
That was jingle bells and baubles as well. So just to kind of give you a little... Here is our kit size bauble. And here is our decoration size bauble.
So that is your big and little brother.
It is. It is. So they are a different size, but I think they would look stunning together.
So you make these ones for the base of your tree.
Yeah.
And you make these ones for the top of your tree.
Or if you're arranging them, maybe you have 2 larger ones and a
yes.
smaller one
That
as a
would be
cluster
nice.
hanging at different heights from like a nice branch or something like that.
Can you imagine we could have them from the windows and things? Oh, that would be nice.
Really pretty. So yes, they're a very similar design. Definitely one that was inspired by the other.
Definitely.
But they are a very different size as well. So just so you can see the comparison for them there, because I'm sure you're going to want to know that.
Definitely, because you're going to want both. I want both. I haven't got either of these yet. You know that, didn't you?
Oh no.
I need them.
We need them. We do. So these are available from us now. As we've said, they were previously available on Create and Craft. So if you've been waiting until we've got them in stock, you're lucky because that time is now. Go and grab them from our websites. They are available. The links will be in the description below for you, so you can pop over, add them to your basket. Don't forget, if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you can take an extra 10% off this.
Amazing.
Absolutely. It's just bonkers. Brand new launches and we're like, yeah, just have 10% off. It's fine. Have it. You can also pay in installments, so maybe you've added the baubles, you've added a couple of extra things, maybe some beautiful mirrored cardstock to...
Possibly a one-off kit if there's any left.
Maybe that too. You can pay in installments at checkout. There will be an option or multiple options available for you. Shop Pay, Clear Pay, PayPal. Have a look, see which one suits you best, and spend somebody else's money for a couple of months or a couple of weeks. Why not? Don't forget the very most important thing that we say on every video: tag us in your makes. We would love to see what you're making, how you're going to use this. I'd like to see if you decorate with this bauble, so not just your make, I'd like to see it in situ. So are you hanging them on the tree? Are you making them like
as Christmas trees?
Me too. Are you making an advent out of baubles? If you are, good luck. I salute you because you and your cutting arm... In fact, that's this one for me. I'm definitely going to know you've had a workout on that day, but I would love to see in situ shots of this.
Yes, definitely.
Like I say, you know, the clusters in the window. Have you got like a nice old branch that you're going to hang them from? Show us what you're doing.
Oh, I'd love to see that.
And you never know, it may appear on a show and tell on a weekend towards the end of the year when we're feeling all festive and cosy in December. Maybe we'll bring them all out. Have a little bit of a Christmas showcase.
That would be good. Any Christmas makes, we need to do that. Make a note.
Miss Jones, indeed. So make sure you tag us so you can put them onto our Tonic Studios official Facebook group. Again, the link will be in the description below for you for that if you're not already a member. But we're also across social media at Tonic Studios, and you can use the hashtag #ShowTonic to show us what you have been making. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Let us know. What should we ask in the comments? Let us know in the comments which bauble is your preference. Do you prefer a little bauble? Or are you like the giant bauble person? Or both?
I'm both. I'll be honest with you. So on my tree, you know I love my tree.
I do.
I don't put that many decorations up apart from my tree. We do have
and
a bit
the lighting extravaganza.
The light extravaganza that is my hallway. But apart from that, I don't actually put any other decorations up. So just have my tree in my living room. And I have baubles on there from years and years and years ago. It's just, it's a collector's tree. It's not a change with every season tree. But this is perfect for if you are a change with every season person.
Yes, because, you know, maybe this year you're like, actually, I feel like having a blue Christmas. But then next year you're like, do you know what? I wish I had traditional stuff. Yeah. Just make them again in the colours you want.
I like to have on the bottom of my tree, I like to have the bigger baubles, and then they get smaller as they go up.
That makes sense. Because the branches are smaller and it's really fiddly trying to hang massive baubles and decorations from little branches.
So that's why I want both. Not that I'm greedy.
She's greedy. She's greedy.
No.
But yes, so make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell,
ding,
and you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live, because we do that twice a week these days.
We do.
And, you know, special events and other things happen on occasion as well. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!